What's up, guys? It's Thursday afternoon. I'm gonna say around 3 o'clock. Overcast. It's only 87 degrees Fahrenheit, but it's and there is a breeze, but it's still kind of muggy. It just got done raining, and of course a lot of moisture still in the air. Probably going to rain again because it is rainy season. Nice trees. It's a nice place here. Nice restaurant. Just thought before it started raining again, we'd take the opportunity to get out and shoot at least a little bit of video. I guess I could make one or two from my apartment. It wouldn't be too interesting though. There wouldn't be much to look at. You know, it's just an apartment. I was thinking about doing one where I just showed you everything that was inside my closet. I might still do that because I brought a lot of things with me and a lot of different clothes and things that I didn't need. So it could be helpful to show you what I brought and what things I'm glad I brought and what things I could have very well done without. So I might still do that, but other than that, I don't really see a reason to record inside my apartment. I say that for Seng Lai and her cooking channel. Yeah, I'm not sure where we're going. I wish I could tell you, but Seng Lai's been pointing the way. She does this thing where she insists that I walk ahead of her, even though I don't know where she's going, and then she just yells instructions and points at things to show me where to go. Still have not yet got to the point with her yet where I say, listen, if you want to go somewhere specific, you take the lead. I will follow you. You know, like normal human beings. Oh, I see. She's getting something to snack on. That's what she wants. Yeah. Looks like we have some fried stuff here. Fried bread and things. Oh, fried bread, and it looks like powdered sugar. Oh, no banana. You wanted a banana. Oh, okay. She wanted a fried banana. That's what we're out for. Now I know. She wanted a fried banana. They have fried things here, but they're not bananas. But I do love this bread. I do love this fried bread here. It's really good. She is on a quest for banana. So maybe we'll be walking a little further than nope, no bananas. Papaya salad, which is also really good. Up here? Okay. The little tattoo studio, the White Rabbit tattoo. And this place is interesting. It's also the White Rabbit Hostel, bar and restaurant. As you can see, the statues out front. Got a cool, colorful decor on the inside. Yeah. Just one of those funky little places. I guess we're going this way. All right. Well, she found something fried, but it's... She might have given up on her banana idea that easily. Ah, nice fried treats. I do like going down this road though because it's got a lot of trees, nice and shady. Trying to get a drink of my coffee right now. I can't seem to get the straw close enough. Ah, there we go. Can't get the straw close enough to my mouth. It keeps moving around. And then people were staring at me. Like, oh, that poor man doesn't know how to drink through a straw. Oh, I guess we're still going down that way. Yeah. Fried little treats. Oh, it's got something inside.
Coconut.
Coconut?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'll taste it now. A fried coconut ball. Pretty tasty. Yeah, as you can see, like I said, lots of trees, lots of foliage. Yeah. Oh, okay. That's pretty good. How much? Oh, 50 cents? Peepuan, 2,000 real, 50 cents. And we got like 4 of them, 5 of them. 4. Not bad. So I guess this is going to be a vlog about nothing. I think that's what the title will be. Doing nothing in Cambodia. So there's not really anything going on. Oh, rice.
Yeah.
Okay, this one's got rice in it. Mm. Well, that one's not bad. I like the coconut one better. Mm-hmm. The only thing I'm really tasting here is the fried dough outside, the outside. The inside tastes like white rice, which isn't really much of a flavor. But still not bad. Well, that's one thing I can tell you guys, is that if you see these little these ladies or men sometimes on the little push carts riding a bicycle, you should always go over there and check to see what they have. You don't have to buy it if you don't want. But getting those same things like in a restaurant or further downtown at a like in where all the tourists are, those same four would have probably cost double. Would have probably cost $1, maybe $1.25. Because of course you're in a touristy part of town. But you just see these little carts all over. You can just, even if they're going by, you can wave them down. They'll turn around, stop. It's usually really cheap. One more bite. Yeah. That's what pants are for, to wipe your hands on. Don't you know that? Whoa. I think that's just a telephone line, but I'm not sure. So we'll go this way. There's a bridge, you go that way to get downtown. Oh, you want to go that way? Oh, she wants to go that way. Yeah. I understand about being careful crossing the street, but sometimes I've seen some local people, they just a car will be way far away, and then you only got to take a few steps to get across the street. But they will wait and just wait until there's absolutely no traffic coming. And I'm just like, it's only just move a little faster. 3 steps, you're across. No problem. And of course, right at the end of this particular bridge, on the other side of the river, where you find the main downtown Wat. Probably one of the better known because of its location. I get a lot of visitors, a lot of tourists. Did a video on it once. It's very, very nice inside. Very peaceful. There's a lot to look at. They have all kinds of art in there. If you walk around one of the walls on the inside, you'll get like a each section will have like a big drawing, a big painting, and then there'll be a description underneath written in English talking about the history of Buddhism and how some of the tenets of that particular religion came to be. So if you're into that, that's really interesting. You remember, if you do visit a temple or a wat when you come here, dress appropriately. No sleeveless shirts, no tank tops, no shorts that go above your knees. Make sure your shorts are at least knee length or longer. Remember, do not or always ask permission before you just start recording or taking pictures of the monks. It's rude if you don't. And if you are a woman, you are not allowed to touch the monks. And you are not allowed to hand anything to them directly. You must either give it to a man for him to hand to the monk, or place it on the ground and back away from the monk so he can then pick it up. He's not allowed to take it from you, from your hand, if you are a woman. Just something to remember. Alright, that's my blog about nothing. I just felt like making it because we were going out and it's going to start raining again pretty soon. Smoothie stand right here. My favorite smoothie stand. These ones are really, really good. And only $1. Alright. I hope you enjoyed my walk. Remember to check out all my links below. You can check out Sengalai's cooking channel at the link below. You got all my social media in the links below. You have my Patreon page if you want to support education here below. And you can just donate to me directly if you want by hitting the tab that says donation. It's all down below. Check it out and do with it what you will. All right. I'll talk to you guys in the next one.